Dear students of Standard 7, I am revising Chapter 2, Atmosphere, for you so that you can learn and remember. Today I am going to explain about the atmosphere, the realms of the earth and composition of the atmosphere and the structure of the atmosphere. There are 4 realms of the earth: hydrosphere, the sphere of water; atmosphere, the sphere of air; lithosphere, the sphere of rocks; and biosphere, the sphere of all these 3 spheres. A zone where hydrosphere, atmosphere and lithosphere is found, where life can exist. If any one sphere is missing, life is impossible. So, you should know the importance of each sphere. Today, I am going to explain about atmosphere. What is the meaning of atmosphere, or what do you mean by atmosphere? A blanket of air surrounding our earth. Blanket which protects us during winter season. Like that blanket of air which is surrounding the earth and protecting our earth is known as atmosphere. What is found in the atmosphere? What is the composition of the atmosphere? Atmosphere is mixture of gases, mixture of impurities, solid particles, pollen grains, moisture, all are present in the atmosphere. And if you see the gases, largely 78% of nitrogen is found in the atmosphere, oxygen 21% and 1% helium, carbon dioxide, hydrogen and other gases are found. All these gases have their own importance and all together they protect our earth. All the atmosphere, whatever gases are found, or impurities or pollen grains or solid particles and moisture, they are densely found close to the earth's surface. As we go higher and higher, they are thinner and thinner, and in the upper layer they are found very rarely. So, if you see the structure of the atmosphere, there are 5 important layers of the atmosphere. Closest to the earth's surface, troposphere; just above it, stratosphere; just above it, mesosphere; thermosphere, and the last is exosphere. Today I will explain about troposphere. The closest layer, which is 18 km above the equator and 8 km above the pole, known as troposphere. And in this all weather phenomena take place. The weather phenomena such as rain, cloudy conditions, sun shining, thunder, lightning, stormy, heavy rainfall, all these can take place only in troposphere. In troposphere, as we go higher and higher, temperature decreases at the rate of 1 degree Celsius at 165 meters of ascent. So, from the surface of the earth, as we go higher to the mountains, temperature decreases. This is the layer where all the gases, all the solid particles and moisture densely found. And therefore, water cycle or hydrological cycle takes place, and that maintains humidity in the atmosphere and water on this earth. So, this is about troposphere. This is the most important layer of the earth's structure. Atmospheric structure. Just above it, stratosphere lies. Between troposphere and stratosphere, The boundary is known as tropopause. In this layer, ozonosphere is there, a layer of ozone gases, and that protects our earth from the ultraviolet rays or cosmic rays or infrared rays coming from the sun. And stratosphere is not in this layer, atmosphere is not densely found. All the gases are also less dense, and therefore the wind does not blow vertically. Absence of wind or stormy wind, no weather phenomena takes place in the stratosphere, and therefore this is the reason where jet planes fly. And it lies above on the surface about 50 kilometers. So, do learn these two layers of the Earth's atmosphere, troposphere and stratosphere. Thank you.